These 7 simple exercises will just take 5 minutes of your time and will suit any level of physical conditions because they are all based on one phenomenal exercise, that is plank. Plank is famous for its many benefits. First, a toned belly. Second, a strong back. Third, a flexible body. Fourth, good posture. Just do it with us every day, preferably in the morning when you are still fresh and full of energy. And we will make sure that every training is fun. And in just 30 days, you will just be surprised to find yourself so much slimmer body in the mirror. So let's transform your body right now. Let's start. You don't even have to start your stopwatch. I'll be counting for you. So let's begin with exercise number 1, that is full plank. First, lie down with your belly on the floor. Raise your body on your straight arms and toes and keep it horizontally. Your body should make a straight line head to heels. Breathe normally. You need to keep this position for only 60 seconds. Let's give it a try. Ready? The countdown begins now. Plank is one of the best exercises for core conditioning. It strengthens your arms and also supports proper postures and improve balance. Hold on and try to breathe normally. Inhale, exhale. That's right. Keep on holding it and breathe normally. Yes, you are a superhero. Keep it up, keep it up. Breathe normally. Okay, just 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now exercise number 2, elbow plank. Keep the same position on your belly. Then raise your body on your elbows and toes and keep it horizontally. Your body should make a straight line head to heels. Don't forget to breathe normally. This time only 30 seconds. Come on, you can do it. Plank is one of the best basic poses in the yoga. It's absolutely healthy for your body and it also keeps you energized for the whole day. Yes, yogi don't lies. Just 10 seconds more. Come on, you can do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, you are super duper. I'm amazed. Now we will move towards exercise 3, raised leg plank. Prop your body in the position of elbow plank. Raise your right leg to the level of your glutes or higher. Breathe normally. Yes, here we go. Breathe normally because your muscles will need to receive oxygen. If you hold your breath, your blood in the abdomen will increase significantly and will have harmful effect on your body. Yes, keep it up, keep it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now put your right foot on the floor and raise the left leg to the level of your glutes. Try, hold on. Apart from working on your back, head, hands, shoulder and chest, raised leg plank also strengthens your glutes and your back body. Come on, you are doing good. I am proud of you. 10 seconds more left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Now let's move towards exercise number 4, left side plank. Turn to your left side and put the left elbow strictly under the shoulder. Then make sure that your legs are straight. Now push your bottom and waist up. Balance yourself on your arm and feet until your body makes a diagonal line. Breathe normally. And now it starts, just 30 seconds. Side plank makes your abdominal side muscles stronger and keeps your waist straight. It also strengthens your shoulders and arms. It is good for our sider body. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Now move toward exercise number 5, right side plank. Turn to your right side and put the right elbow strictly under the shoulder. Make sure that your legs are straight. Push your bottom and waist up. Balance yourself on your arm and feet until your body makes a diagonal line. Breathe normally. And another 30 seconds has just started. Keep your balance. You are doing really good. I can see you. Hold on. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, just 2 more exercises left. Now let's move toward exercise 6, full plank. Raise your body on your straight arms and toes and keep it horizontally. Your body should make a straight line head to heels. Yes, breathe normally. This time only 30 seconds. You can do it. Make sure your palms are right under your shoulders. If not, move them carefully. Your body should feel solid. Yes, just like that. You may want to do it again. Maybe 5 more seconds. And here they are. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow! One last exercise to go. Exercise number 7. Elbow plank. Yes, again. Keep the same position on your belly. Raise your body on your elbow and toes and keep it horizontally. Your body should make a straight line head to heels. Breathe. You should hold the position for 60 seconds. Keep your body as a straight line. Yes, you are doing really great. I can see you. Oh, 30 seconds are really past and you are still standing. You are really a champ. Keep going, keep going. That's really great. Just come on, you can do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, you have done it. Now you are a god of plank. Alright, here is your daily workout plan summary which might be handy to you. First, full plank 1 minute. 2. Elbow plank 30 seconds. 3. Raised leg plank, right leg 30 seconds, left leg 30 seconds. 4th, right side plank 30 seconds. 5th, left side plank 30 seconds. 6th, full plank 30 seconds. 7th, elbow plank 1 minute. Now, once you are ready to intensify your exercise, try not to lie down in between the exercise and just keep your body up and keep on changing your arms position. I am sure you can do it. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to hit the like button and click subscribe to stay updated. Share this video with your friends and do it regularly.